Hello guys, once again welcome back with my new video. Today guys, I'm here in the roundabout. So I'm going to explain to you how you enter and exit the roundabout with the proper way. Right? Just explain to you from there to that side. Okay guys, some students they are facing some problem with the exam or the training. They are always asking how you know if you want to go to straight or right or left or U-turn. I can tell you, you can imagine the roundabout is look like clock face. You are in 6 o'clock, okay? In front of you, 12 o'clock. This roundabout have 4 exits, okay? One is going to straight, one to the right, and one is U-turn. Okay guys, first, how do you know that there is a roundabout in front of you? You can know from the direction information signs. From 300 meter, 200 meter, and 100 meter. So you have to slow down. The car coming from the left has priority. Okay, so every roundabout in the world have signboard, which means giveaway. Giveaway, that means if you are enter the roundabout, you have to check from the left. If there is any car, you have to stop. You have to give away for that car. If there is no car, just continue driving. Use signal. When you are going to the left, example, you have to change your signal again to the right. But if you are going U-turn, you exit the roundabout, use signal, check from left. If there is no car, continue driving. Keep the signal for U-turn, left. But if you are going to right side, of course you have to also check from the left. Who is coming from left? The road for them. And then, of course, you take the right line if you are going to the right, or if you are going forward, straight. Alright guys, so let me talk about the roundabouts in Oman. In Oman, before a long time ago, we have a lot of roundabouts. But right now, like what I see, we have just only a few roundabouts. It's good things now because we have traffic signals, so it's good. Alright guys, so if you are coming from this way, you want to enter the roundabout, of course you have to slow down first, and then you have to check from the left. If there is car coming from the left, you have to give away. If there's no car, continue driving. If you want to go to the straight or right, you have to keep right line. But if you want to go U-turn, of course you have to be in the left line. So if you are coming from this side, you want to go to roundabout right, you have to take right line. Roundabout second right, also you have to take right line. But if you are going to roundabout straight, also you have to take right line. But for U-turn or roundabout left, you have to take left line. But of course you have to give away for the cars come from the left. You need to stop. If there is no car, continue driving. So the speed limited here in this roundabout, big one, is maximum 40 speed, yes. But here in the middle of the roundabout, if you are going to U-turn, you take left line. For left U-turn, left side, left line, okay? And for right side or street, you have to take right line. This one, okay? Alright guys, now I'm entering the roundabout forward or straight, and I'll be on the right track. On the right track, it doesn't need to give a signal. Yes, you need to check from the left. If there is a car coming from the left, you need to stop. If there is no car, continue drive. And in the middle of the roundabout, you need to give a signal for exiting the roundabout. Thank you for watching.